Your chickens are eating every day. You are buying expensive feed, but they are still small. Then something is wrong. Many poultry farmers lose money because their chicken grow too slowly. And most people do not even know why. In this video, I am going to show you, to tell you the real reason why your chicken are not growing fast and simple things so you can fix it immediately. Welcome back to my channel. If you love poultry farming and you want to improve your chicken, your farm, your egg production, and profit, make sure you subscribe. Today, we are talking about a very important problem. Chickens eating but not growing. The reason number one is bad quality feed. One big reason chicken fail to grow fast is poor feeding quality. Some feed look good outside, but they do not contain enough nutrients. Your chicken may eat a lot, but in the feed quality is poor, but the feed quality is poor. Growth become very slow. It's, so they need a strong protein for fast growth. Always buy quality feed from trusted suppliers so you know there is enough, all the proteins, everything is in there. Do not buy feed only because it is cheap. The reason number two, dirty or not enough water. Water is very important. If chicken do not drink enough water or clean water, they eat less. They grow slowly. They become even weak. Sometimes farmers focus only on the feed and forget water. Change water daily. Wash drinkers. Make sure chicken always have access to clean water. The reason number two, diseases or worms. Sometimes chicken eat normally, but worms, diseases steal the nutrients inside their body. That means feed is wasted, growth become poor. Watch for diarrhea, weakness, poor feathers, lower activities. Deworm your layers regularly. Keep the coop clean and vaccinate properly as it is required. Reason number four, overcrowding. When too many chickens stay in one small space, stress increase. Weak chicken do not eat properly. Growth become uneven. Sometimes chicken become a big, even sometimes chicken become so, just remain not even growing. Give enough space to your layer chicken, to your chicken. Improve airflow and reduce stress. Reason number five, temperature and stress. If chicken become too hot, too cold, or too hot, growth is slow down. Growth is slowing down. Young chicken, young chicks especially need proper brooding temperature. Use proper heat. Watch chicken behavior. If chicken grow together, they are they are they are cold or something. So just make sure you are checking your chicken very well. Make sure you are checking even the temperature of your chicken. So if if your chickens are not growing fast, start checking these five things, that the five reasons that I tell you. So small mistake can cost you a lot of money in poultry farming. So if this video help you, subscribe, share, give it a thumbs up. So comment below, which problem have you experienced before in your farm? Put the comment there so we can all discuss it together and give one another the ideas as farmers. So make sure you check all these these points that I gave you, so you will know what could be the mistake. So as a farmer, we always watch our chicken. What is the real reason? So thank you so much for watching my channel. Subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Bye bye.